Alright guys, keeping the mojo flowing. T-Lod 1972 got the box of treasures straight out of Harrisburg. I'd say good luck to me, but I've had all the luck. I'm speechless today. Between Davin and that box of Absolute, holy crap. I'd be just getting greedy to say I need any more. Alright, checklist, probably need it. And our box got a little bit of a heaper there. There's the lacquer smell. Alright, here we go. Treasures. Okay, pulling the bottom two to the top. I'm gonna cover these up. Alright, first one we got Antonio Gates out of 25 base. Next up we got a PC for me, Randy White. And that's number 22 out of 99 for Randy. He was a mean mofo. Next up we got a Joseph Adai out of 99 base. And next we got a Chris Johnson out of 99 base. Alright, here comes the hits, guys. Here we go. First hit is Donovan McNabb for the Redskins jersey. 50 out of 99. Next up. Hey, nice card there. Johnny U. Emblems of the Hall jersey. One color. 37 out of 99. Johnny U was pretty good, man. How about it? Okay. Next up. Who we got here? We got an NFL gear. Emmanuel Sanders. We got the ball, jersey, and a little bit of card damage there at the bottom corner. 15 out of 25. Next. Ooh. Oh, shoot. That is nice. Wish that was auto, but nice just the same. Got a NFL gear Sam Bradford patch, ball patch. We got a 1, 2, 3 color, 1, 2, 3, 4 break ball, and a 2 color 2 break. Very nice. Down there at the bottom, see it? Pretty slick, nice looking Sam Bradford, 18 out of 49. Wow, that's nice. Okay, next up we should be hitting some autos here. Wow, that's nice too. Tom Rathman, and it's a timeline auto with prime painted patches, and it is number 10 out of 10. Nice looking card. Tom Rathman. Next up, we got a Ricky Sapp rookie auto, 14 out of 25. Next up, a redemption. We'll look at that later. And last, ooh, alright, players, but the patch is pretty freaking sick. We got a Gerald McCoy, and it's a gold version, 17 out of 25. Pretty sick patch. So our redemption should be one of them early rookies. Let's take a look. It's number 257. Wait a minute. Rookie signatures 257. That would be Absolute. Duh. Try again. 257. That would be a Kareem Jackson. Redemptions for a Kareem Jackson, number 257. I was struggling there looking at the Absolute checklist. My mind is just so boggled from some of these past cards I just pulled and from the Davin mail. But pretty sick. That's nice. That's real nice. Boy, wouldn't that have been something if that was autoed. That would have been a nice high profile card. And a Gerald McCoy with the logo there, Bucks. Buccaneers, 17 out of 25. Well guys, that's my boxes for today. Got a ton of videos going up here after bed it seems. Thanks for watching guys. Later.